Hello and welcome to my channel Math Easy, where you can find mathematics is easy. Here I will discuss about some problems of NET, SET and GATE and other competitive exams with some of helpful and valuable tricks along with some brief knowledge about this subject. This is a common problem of linear algebra about linear transformation. We will solve this problem together with a beautiful trick. So let's find out its solution. First, we will read this problem. Let T1 and T2 are two linear transformation from R5 to R3 such that rank of T1 and nullity of T2 both are 3. Again, let T3 is another linear transformation from R3 to R3 such that T3 composition T1 is equal to T2. Then what is the rank of T3? This is a problem of GATE 2014. So let's solve this. This is the trick we will carry forward to solve this problem. The trick is, if A and B are 2m by n and n by p matrices respectively, then we have rank of A plus rank of B minus n less than equal to rank of AB less than equal to minimum of rank A comma rank B. Here we have to remind that this n is nothing but those n's. Okay, so let's solve this. So here rank of T1 and nullity of T2 is 3. Okay, let's write. Here nullity of T2 is 3. Then from rank nullity theorem, we have a rank of T2 is equal to what? T2 is linear transformation from R5 to R3. That is, a rank of T2 is equal to 5 minus 3. That is 2. Now let's apply this beautiful trick, which is rank of T3 plus rank of T1 minus n. Here n is nothing but T3 is 3 by 3 and T1 is 5 by 3. That is 3 by 5. A linear transformation is a matrix. We know that. So it is a basic knowledge. So here n is 3 less than equal to rank of T3 composition T1 less than equal to minimum of a rank of T3 comma rank of T1. So we don't know the value of rank of T3, so this is the same, and rank of T1 is equal to 3 minus 3 less than equal to rank of T3 composition T1. And from the problem we know that rank of T3 composition T1 is equal to rank of T2. So we can write that here is equal to rank 2. So it is rank 2 is equal to 2. Here we have extracted this value less than equal to minimum of rank of t3 comma rank of t1 is equal to 3. So implies we have from this part 3 and 3 vanishes, rank of t3 less than equal to 2, and from this part minimum of a rank t3 comma 3 greater than equal to 2 implies that what, rank of t3 greater than equal to 2. Then if this is the number 1 equality and this is the number 2 equality, then from 1 and 2 we have rank t3 is equal to 2. This is the solution. Is it easy or not? Let's comment. For more this type of useful tricks with its application, subscribe this channel, like if you like this video, and also share if you find it useful. Thank you.